I'm sure you have sent some document in past. It had something which you did not want to send, and that was a problem. We are going to see how to prevent that from happening ever again. Technically, it's called metadata. So we are going to see how to prevent inadvertent leakage of metadata. Sounds complex? No, it's not. All that you have to do is before sending a document, you go to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, same process. Go to File, Info. In that, you look at Inspect Document. So there is a button check for issues under that Inspect Document. Now a big complex looking dialog opens. Most people don't go here at all, but you should absolutely go here for every document. Click on Check or Inspect. It will go through all these categories and check. Does it have comments? Does it have properties? And then you can remove either one by one or all of them. Depends on the situation. Once it is clean, now you can send the document. Sounds good? No. This is not the way to use it because let's say I removed all the comments. But you wanted those comments for internal purpose. You did not want the comments when you're sending it to customer. So generally, if you're not sure, make a copy first, run the document inspector on the copy and then send it. Life is good. So remember, before sending a document out, always run it through document inspector. Now, let's go through Word, Excel, PowerPoint and see how good this is. Word. You'll see it's a long list. The most common thing you want to get rid of are comments. But wait, there could be track changes also. And sometimes if you are in simple track changes mode, you will only see a line which you may miss and someone intelligent may open it. Document properties probably are most dangerous. You know why? Oh, I'm sending a proposal to a customer. I have told them, sir, I have spent a lot of time on it. 4 hours I took. And then when you go to properties, it shows total editing time of 3 minutes, which basically means it's a copy paste, isn't it? So you're caught like that. Or in complex documents, serious documents, say RFP, the person who created the RFP, the department, that is confidential information. By mistake, it stays there. Your vendors will take advantage of that mistake. So these kind of things are so routine, but once you notice them, you will catch them and prevent them from being leaked. One tricky one when it comes to Word is yes, you can remove header, footer and watermark. Why are they together? Because watermark is basically a header or a footer. The problem with that is, in most cases, you will want to keep the header and footer. You only want to remove the watermark like sample or draft. So that is the problem. So you cannot practically use header, footer, watermark. You'll have to manually go and remove watermark. You'll have to remember to do that. In Word, there is a tricky component called hidden text. Word has a property called hidden text, but it is possible to actually show hidden text in Word. Sometimes we forget to do it. So remember to remove hidden text because very often in templates, hidden text is used sort of to guide people in using the template. Do you know what are collapsed headings? When we use styles, we have heading 1, heading 2 to create the hierarchy, right? Now sometimes what happens, you want only the executive summary to be open and rest of the document just to be collapsed. So it's like a live table of contents. Anybody who wants can open the required area and look at it quickly. So sometimes what happens, the headings remain collapsed and you may miss something and that gets inadvertently leaked. So look at that carefully. Now let's look at Excel. As you know, Excel has a lot of sheets, a lot of rows, a lot of columns. So hidden anything is a problem because that may have confidential data. Second, very important, Excel you have filters. Auto filter. So slicers, sometimes you filter something, people can only see the filtered version. But when you remove filters, data is visible. So think of that as well. You can import data in data model directly. When you go to the Excel sheet, there is nothing, but you go to Power Pivot data model, all the raw data is seen. That's another one. I hope you know what is data model. If you don't, look at a detailed video I have created earlier. PowerPoint is very tricky because many people are usually involved in making it and people have no standard process for it. Notes are very, very tricky. Sometimes some internal communication remains in notes and it's a problem. In Word as well as Excel, we have comments, yes. But in PowerPoint, comments can be at all places. They can be at slide level, they can be at object level. It's very easy in PowerPoint to miss a comment. So that's where Document Inspector In one click, you can remove all notes. In one click, you can remove all comments. Imagine how much manual effort it would have been for you. So I hope you got the idea. To prevent goofing up with documents, this is your best friend. Use Document Inspector. I'm sure you liked it. So actually click on the like button, subscribe, click on the bell icon, look at the thanks button, and most importantly, I've created this extensive video about Word best practices. Have a look at it. So till next time, take care. Bye bye.